Hello, beautiful people all over the world. Welcome to my vlog. Challenger Girl is waiting here for you, beautiful people. So, before let's get started, I just want to shout out to all super things in there and to all my subscribers who always supports my channel. Thank you so much, beautiful people. Alright, so for today's video, guess what? Guess what I'm going to eat for today? So let's get started, beautiful people. So I have my juice here. And of course, my unique straw, which is my favorite straw. Okay, so what I'm going to eat for today is this one, beautiful people. So I'm going to put more sauce because I guess it's already dry. Creamy sauce. Have you seen those black color coming out from the sauce? Those are cockroaches. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking, beautiful people. I'm not eating cockroach. Not yet. Need to learn. Okay, this is my first time to try this. Frog leg. Okay. Okay, let's try. I want to choose the small one. Oh, look at that. Now I want to try the fat one. This one, I guess. Why don't you try these frog legs? They said that it's tastes like chicken. I'll try. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mm. Look at the bone. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Yummy, beautiful people. Mmm. Drop something. Oh my gosh, this frog leg